In life, there comes a time where you can afford the ultimate things, like an ultimate house, or an ultimate beach villa, or an ultimate car. A car which pulls itself to you at the press of a button, just like this. See, I told you, an ultimate car for the ultimate you. So you can crack those ultimate business deals just sitting here in comfort of the ultimate 7. But before I tell you,
Before we tell you about this Ultimate 7, welcome to MWTV, your one-stop shop for premium cars and premium content. Content that excites, engages, and entices. My name is Nilesh.
and my name is Swapna, and if you are looking for the best offers on Ultimate 7 or an advice on Ultimate 7, so you can write us on hello@mwtv.in, or you can reach us on at 9423369888, and you can get the best offers on
The Ultimate,
the Ultimate
7.
7. Nilesh, can we explore the car?
Oh yes, why not? We should explore the car. End of the day, it's an Ultimate 7. So I would like to sit on the rear seat and experience the car.
No. I have known you from the long time and you have enjoyed behind the wheel. So today you are going to do just same that, and I'm going to enjoy from the rear seat. Can
Okay,
we?
as you say, let's go.
Yes. Now that we are rolling, I have all the time in the earth to explore this luxury barge. You see, 730 LD. LD stands for long wheelbase in BMW terminology. So you have those acres and acres space to relax. You want more space? Watch this. See? Now it's moving from business class to first class. Just like this, what you're going to love is the quality of the material all around, and even the leather feels so exquisite. Even the seats are extremely comfortable. Talking about the seats, let me show you multiple seat adjustment options here. There is a recline, there is a massage, and there is a cooling function, and I have this screen in front of me. Even I have this tablet to operate everything. You want more private space? You see, even the blinds of the windows are electronically controllable. Do you want to get ready before hitting those meetings? Well, I have this mirror in front of me to get ready. How cool is that? Okay, if I have to nitpick something, I wish BMW could have given the thigh extender to this comfort seat little bit more recline, to up first class quotient little bit more. However, having said that, while I am enjoying the rear seat, and before I go to Nilesh, let me ask you one question. If you were at my place, what is that one feature you would have enjoyed and loved the most? Let me know in the comment section below. I would be most eager to know that. Now let me check with Nilesh. What is he loving about the Ultimate 7 over here? Nilesh, are you enjoying the 7 up front?
Oh gosh, thank God, Swapna, you let me speak. I was thinking you would go on and on and on and I would never get a chance to speak. But now that I have got a chance to speak, I will speak. First things first, I quite agree with you, Swapna, that the quality of materials used here is phenomenal. You look at the leather here, you look at the wood finish here, you get the Alcantara leather here. All of it looks exquisite. There is nothing as exquisite as these interiors. If you would have been in BMW 7 earlier, you would notice that most of the things are similar to the older car. Reason being, this is not a new generation 7, but this is a facelifted 7. However, even though this is a facelifted 7, there are few key things which are notably different than the earlier car. First thing has to be this touchscreen. Yes, it is a touchscreen now. And second has to be the information display 7 or ID7, which is new in this car. And I also love the way this temperature control pops up over the moment you touch the buttons here. Well, this is the 7 series. Ideally, for any other car, I would have started off with the engine specs and how the engine performs or how is the gearbox. But here I would really want to start with how comfortable this car is all around to drive. Typically, 7 series is something that you would enjoy from the rear seat, and that is what Swapna was anyways doing. But sitting here and driving this car, the ride quality is absolutely soft, absolutely subtle. Usually the owners of these cars are not going to drive these cars. However, if you are someone who loves to drive the car, I insist that you should pick up this over the A8 or the S-Class, because this is so good behind the wheel. The owner sitting behind is going to be chauffeur around from place A to place B in utmost comfort. But then hold on, this is something even the S-Class does, isn't it? I mean, S-Class is the epitome of all these things. Then why 7? The reason that you should be picking up the 7 is because of this sport mode. Put the car in the sport mode and this car wraps itself around you, and that's a charm. So if you are someone who loves to drive, trust me, you will enjoy the way the steering responds, the suspension stiffens up, or overall just the way the car wraps herself around you. And that is what makes 7 the ultimate 7. Now coming to the engine and gearbox, well, this is 530D, and when I say 530D, this is the 530D sourced engine as a 730D. It gets the same 3-liter straight 6 engine, which does the job so very well in this car also, churning out the same amount of power and same amount of torque that the 5 or the 6 churns. But you'll be surprised that this car is as fast as the 6 when it comes to a brisk acceleration. And the reason of that is the carbon core, which is the core of this body shell. Now that I have enjoyed the car, I think it is time now to park the car somewhere and enjoy the car and the beauty of the design from outside. So let me just pull over and then we explore the car together.
So Swapna, now that we have experienced the car, tell me what is it that you like about this car?
The one thing I like about this car, it has to be the length of the car and the silhouette of the car. I love the use of the chrome. It looks phenomenal. And people would say it's overdone, but it grows on you.
Yeah, I think I quite agree with you. I really love the big grille over here. People do think it is oversized, but I'm okay with it. I love these laser LED headlamps. The chrome is embellished everywhere. The length of the car is really long. And at the rear we have this 3D LED element on the tail light. So I overall love this car and love the way this car is designed. But if I have to ask you, who you think is the right customer for this 7 Series now?
See, Nilesh, there are 3 cars in the segment now. One is the Audi A10, then the brand new Mercedes-Benz S-Class, and the BMW 7 Series.
Right.
Generationally, the S-Class is the newest one, followed by the Audi A10. Then the BMW.
Now this 7
then
Series.
the BMW.
Yeah.
So I would say that BMW does hold the ground very well, and it has all the comfort features which is required in this segment.
Yeah, and I think it has got very nice stance to it. It drives well. And if you are someone who loves to drive and has the money to spend on such kind of a car, we would definitely say the 7 is the car to go for.
Let us know what do you think about this Ultimate 7. I will be eager to know your comments. Thank you for watching till here. If you love this video, don't forget to like and share with your friends. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and we will keep bringing the new content for you on these premium cars.
And if you're looking to buy this Ultimate 7 or an advice on should you go for this 7 or the A8L or the all-new Mercedes-Benz S-Class, don't forget to write to us at hello@mwtv.in. And now you can call us upon 9423 369 888. That's 9423 369 888. On that note, thank you for watching till here. Stay safe, and we will see you soon on our next video. That's me, Nilesh, signing off, and that's Swapna also signing off. See you soon. Take care. Bye.